Alright guys, we're currently upstairs in the house since there's bugs and yeah. But we are getting a potentially big thunderstorm here. All I can say is this one is not as bad as yesterday's. No, sorry. This one's, I think, more bad than yesterday, so I have to back on this. But yes, it is right now. Trying to get it on camera. Monday, June 26th at 10:44 in the morning. And yeah, this is what's happening. We're here in New York. Trying to catch a lightning bolt on camera here. Pointing at the sky because that's obviously where lightning goes. And yes, it is raining hard. But obviously we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh, and the rain just got harder and oh, it's tennis. Alright. The rain's that bad, eh? Well, listen to the background. I think that's coming from downstairs, but alright, I don't think we're gonna catch any lightning, but we'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys, send you guys updates if anything ever happens. Bye.